Meaning of Geneva Convention.
Geneva Convention.
Geneva Convention.
Geneva Convention.
Geneva Convention. The Geneva Conventions are a set of international agreements established to protect people who are not taking part in hostilities during times of war. These conventions provide rules and guidelines for the treatment of prisoners of war, civilians, and military personnel who are no longer able to fight. The conventions were first signed in 1864, and have since been updated several times. They are considered to be one of the most important achievements in the development of international humanitarian law, and are widely recognized as the definitive legal framework for the conduct of warfare.